Greetings, Telpas administrators. This video will demonstrate the report that you will be running the day of testing. Please note that you are not to release a student from the testing room until this report has been run and everybody has submitted. So once you log in to Tide, you will come here to the green section under Administering Tests, and you will click on Monitoring Test Progress. You will select the first report labeled Plan and Manage Testing. And once you come to this report, depending on who's testing, if you can filter as much as possible, that would help you understand what students you need to address, what classrooms you need to release immediately. So for example, I'm just going to come here and let's say I need to check on my 5th grade classroom. So I'm going to go into a grade level specific report. And once I've selected my grade level, and if I want to select all grade levels, I can do that as well. Just note that my report will be lengthy. I then come to the advanced search, and I'm going to click on my emergent bilingual indicator code because only those students are the ones that I need to release from the testing rooms. Once I select that field, I will then click on emergent bilingual indicator code 1, and I'm going to add that, okay, and make sure that it is added to my chosen criteria. I'm then going to scroll down and I'm going to pick the assessment, which is Telpas. And to make my search even more specific, I'm going to select the test that I'm looking for right now. So let's say I'm looking for 5th and 4th or 5th grade listening and speaking because that's who's still testing. If you want to select all, you may. Remember, it's just going to make your report a little lengthier. From here, I'm going to come down to the Get Specific section, and I'm going to select the second radio button. This is the report, and we're going to follow this certain criteria. Students on their any, and we'll keep any selected. Opportunity in the selected administration who have a status of, and we're going to select here any, because at this point, I want to make sure that I pick up anybody who's completed or still unstarted, or more importantly, is on pause. So once I have that criteria, I'm just going to generate my report. And now that I have generated my report, I will have various columns and rows with student information. And just so we don't have student information on this video, I'm coming to the last 3 or 4 columns. And this is the status that I want to check. I want to make certain that everything has been submitted. Okay, now I do see a pause here. So now I know that I have to go to this certain student to assure that he or she has submitted properly. If I click on the column status and I click on these little sharp tooth arrows, it's going to bring up any other field such as that's not submitted. It could say completed or paused, and it's going to bring it up to the very top. At this time, I will see that I have 2 students on pause, and I need to go to these students and assure that they are not released from the testing room until they submit it. Please note that submitted, reported, or completed, all 3 mean the same thing, that the student has properly submitted their assessment and there's nothing further for the student to do. Please feel free to call the Office of Student Assessment with any further questions. Thank you and have a good day.